watching for me. I look for the girls. They was
You did see the man will get run over by the truck?
Nah.
That's kind of, you know.
Every year? Well,
you come down here so every year?
Yeah.
Oh, this your crew and massive
yeah,
band?
my cousins and
wow.
my friend and my cousin.
Big them up now.
Big up, man like Marvin and Donnie and Clayton and Navy and Big Nose Chris. Sorry. That's alright. I'm blind, you have a big nose, I can't see that. What? Yeah. Yeah. Big up, old man. Shut up. Oh. I'm booger. I'm Tim. Yeah,
alright, Tim, go on easy now. Alright, go on. Alright, Redman coming at the place for nice up the area.
I want to make a shout out to all the people in Flatbush, you know what I'm saying? Enough respect. And if you like John Jay College.
Right, time's up. Alright, time up. Look some more. Hold tight, Redman.
Tony Culture, you excite my musical hormones, causing me to yearn for your music. Then you inject your musical expertise, making me explode with reggae-matic pleasure.